Which of the following pairs of hormones are not antagonistic to each other? That means having opposite effects. Let's look into the options one by one. Option A, parathormone and calcitonin. Parathormone increases the blood calcium levels while calcitonin decreases them. So that means option A is an incorrect answer. Option B, insulin and glucagon. Insulin is a hormone which lowers the blood sugar while glucagon raises the blood sugar level. So option B is also an incorrect answer. Option C, aldosterone and atrial natriuretic factor. So aldosterone increases sodium reabsorption while atrial natriuretic factor promotes sodium excretion. So that means option C is also incorrect answer because A, B and C are examples of antagonistic effects in hormones. Now finally we have relaxin and inhibin. Relaxin helps relax the pelvic ligaments while inhibin regulates the follicular stimulating hormone release. So that means they don't have opposite effects. So the correct answer is option D, relaxin and inhibin.